question I always get is, how do you keep your hair healthy in between blowouts? So I've been blowing out my hair for about 5 months, almost every week, every other week. So I'm about to show you how I keep my hair healthy to minimize heat damage. So the first thing that we're gonna do is wash the hair. So I wash my hair sometimes in the shower, sometimes in the sink, but I'm using the K18 Damage Shield Shampoo. So we already know that curly hair is more prone to like dryness and breakage, especially if you're adding heat on top of that. So I'm gonna make sure that I use products that is going to protect from daily damage, like any heat styling, without stripping the hair. So I really like that this cleans your hair well, but it keeps it still soft and doesn't leave it brittle. So the next thing is this key treatment right here, this molecular repair hair mask from K18. All you need is 2 pumps on each side. I just have a little bit more hair, so I use 2 pumps on each side. What the key is for using this is rubbing it together in your hands and evenly distributing it. One tip, you don't wash this out and you also don't use conditioner. So I just go from shampoo to this product and I leave it in my hair. So if I was leaving my hair curly, I would just go ahead and put in my leave-in afterwards. But since I'm blowing out my hair, I am going to just use the leave-in and then my heat styling products. So what I really love about this product is like, it's not just conditioning your hair, it's really repairing the damage on a deeper level. So when I'm going from curly to blowing out, so I'm really breaking the structure of my hair over time. And this helps that the curls bounce back and don't get that heat damage that some people get. So I'm gonna let that marinate for about 5 minutes. I like to use like a heat cap just to condition, and then I go ahead with blowing out my hair. So I use the K18 heat protectant spray, and then once I blow dry it with the Lange blow drying brush, I go ahead and seal it with the molecular repair hair oil from K18. K18 really has been helping my hair stay nice and soft, smooth, but also help with the broken keratin chains that usually happens when you are either heat styling or doing any type of like high heat things to your hair. So I feel like my hair still feels strong and soft. So when I go back to my natural curls, it still looks the same. So that's about it. Just keeping it simple and using these products. And that's how I've been managing to style my hair with heat for the last 5 months. Let me know what you think.